The event today has been really energetic. It's the debate, the passion, the enthusiasm, the excitement about what's going on in the future. I think your guest speakers, the first two, not necessarily myself, but the first two really provided an insight which was powerful. One which was about the future, the vision, the excitement about the future, and the other with Manuela was fantastic to create a sense of understanding about these new technologies coming through, building our confidence. And for me, the big takeaway of the day is the fact that we have been surrounded by people who share our passion, but we've been given data, we've been given insights, we've been given ideas and knowledge to build our confidence, to be able to go out and open new conversations back at work. I think really my key takeaway is that learning and development leaders have a fantastic opportunity to really be part of business transformation, play a fundamental role. But we need to transform ourselves, and that starts with transforming our thinking. And I think today has given us a platform in which to go ahead and do that.